Today we're making roasted sweet potatoes with kale, chickpea, and cherry tomato saute. Okay, so first we're gonna add some oil to the pan. Then we're gonna start with our onions. Here we go, we need that sizzle. Then we're gonna go chickpeas in, cherry tomatoes in. We want to burst these, get a nice little color and flavor on them. Then we're gonna go garlic, a little bit of Italian spices. Then we're gonna throw in our kale over the top. Let that steam up. We got a little bit of vegetable stock here just to deglaze the pan and add a little steam to the kale. Finish with a little salt and pepper. And there you have it. Last thing we're gonna add is Plantbomb Garlic Tahini. Just goes really well. The acid balance out the sweet potatoes. And there you have your roasted sweet potatoes with kale, chickpea, and cherry tomato saute. You can find more information at plantbomb.com and follow us at plant.bomb.